All in all, it felt pretty good coming in through the foyer. Not too tight, not too long, nothing like that. Flex room, aka the office, good size and good natural light. Powder room or half bath, however you want to look at it, be the main restroom for your guest, which is nice if you're hosting or the kids have friends over or whatnot. Just your normal 2-car and kind of on the small side. The laundry is definitely a good size. Gathering room, cafe, and the kitchen. This space as a whole flowed very well. Very open, of course. A great kitchen island, good size. I mean, over and over again, it really just is screaming a plan that if you like to host people, is very well suited for it. Pantry is also a good size. Also good natural light, and FYI, this is not covered. It's just a regular old patio, not a covered lanai. A little bit of a Harry Potter storage room under the stairs. Entry into the owners is nice because it's kind of got a little offshoot. Definitely a great size, good natural light. Only thing to be mindful of is that this wall right here is shared with the gathering room. So TV and whatnot, just be mindful. Owner's bath here felt large. You got the sinks, you got the shower, large linen, and a large walk-in closet. And you got a door on the throne room here. Coming up the stairs, the loft was actually pretty impressive. Good light. It felt large. It really did. And they had a lot going on in it, and it fitted all well. The floor here was very nice. They definitely had it as like the older teenage girls suite. They had the bath option as a bath floor. It is not standard, but I put this in here so you can kind of see how it was. Had a really nice walk-in closet. Bedroom 3 was also very nice. I mean, look at this huge closet. Had the HVAC system upstairs. So for a standard, bath 2 would be the only bath upstairs shared between the 3 rooms. But if you wanted to and did the upgrade and added it into bedroom 4 and made that like teen suite, it's there. But just the standard plan is to have this as the only bath upstairs. Bedroom 2 was the smaller one of them up there and the smallest closet.